In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Behance portfolio link. We'll walk through the entire process in a clear, simple way so you can go from idea to a shareable portfolio link you can send to clients or employers. Start by signing in to Behance. Open the site in your browser and log into your account so you are ready to build. Once you are in, look for the Share Your Work button. Click it. Then choose Project. This is where you'll assemble your portfolio piece. Think of a project as a showcase page for one body of work, such as a branding package, a photo series, a UX case study, or a motion design reel. Inside the editor, add your content. You can upload images, write supporting text, create photo grids, drop in videos, or embed content from platforms like YouTube. Arrange your sections in a logical flow. Start with a strong visual, then introduce context, process, and results. Use high-quality images and clean, readable text. Keep file sizes reasonable so the page loads quickly, and make sure anything you embed is set to public, so viewers can see it without issues. Next, customize and edit the look and feel. Open the style settings to adjust background color and spacing. A neutral background often makes visuals pop, while consistent spacing keeps the layout professional. As you refine the design, add your project details. A clear description helps viewers understand the goal, your role, and the outcome. Keep the tone straightforward and specific, so someone scanning your page quickly grasps the value of your work. When everything looks right, it's time to publish. Add a compelling cover image that represents the project at a glance. Write a concise and descriptive title, and include a brief description that highlights what the project is and why it matters. Don't forget relevant tags. They help your work show up in searches and curated galleries. After a final check for typos and layout issues, click Publish to make your project live. The moment you publish, your project gets its own public link that you can copy and share. In addition, your Behance profile has a URL that automatically collects all your published projects. That profile link is perfect for resumes, portfolios, email signatures, and social posts. And it gives potential employers or clients a single place to explore your work. That's it. Thanks for watching.